Seems like it was yesterday when I saw your face. You told me how proud you were, but I walk away. If only I knew what I know today. I would hold you in my arms, I would take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done, forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I will do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I wanna call you, but I know you won't be there. I'm sorry for blaming you for